Okay, Merry Christmas, Mommy. The idea that I had to get this, I was sitting in church, and the pastor was talking about how his worst Thanksgiving was when someone introduced those magazine clippings to his children. And you know the clippings I'm talking about. Where you circle what you want for Christmas, and then you would go out sometime later that day or the next day, Black Friday, and get whatever we circled. And I mean, I know that you were going frantic about getting whatever you thought that we needed. And I thought, what an awesome, amazing idea it would be if we could, instead of circling what we want for this Christmas, talk about whatever our favorite Christmas was and what you gave us and what it meant to us. So I would say one of my favorite presents that I received, and I'm not even sure if it's from Christmas or if it's just birthday, whatever, but you got me a makeup kit. Yes, my mother, who is not a big fan of makeup and did not for the longest time like for her children to have makeup, but you obviously foresaw this happening, me loving makeup, got me a makeup kit. And I thought that day that I was the stuff. I had my lipstick on point, I had my eyeshadow everywhere, and I was walking around in my little windbreaker, the little pink and purple one that you got from somewhere, and I thought that I looked good. And that really boosted up my self-confidence. I really felt special on that event. And then I guess just to sum it all up is the gift of you and how awesome and amazing you are. You know, and I say this all the time, growing up, I did not know we were poor. Not the slightest idea, had no clue. And that's just because of how amazing and how much of a gifted and giving mother that you are. To this day, it's still going on. It seems that you just continue just to keep giving, even when you don't have. And I can remember not understanding that, hey, when you go to these different organizations and stand in line for God knows how long, maybe hours even, and you make sure that you get our names in that bucket so that we could wake up and have like an abundance of things underneath the tree. That I'm thankful for. I had no clue how much you give and how much you sacrificed for us. So the greatest gift that I've ever gotten is a mama like you. So thank you, Mommy. I'm not gonna cry on this video, but I will tell you that you're amazing and that I am so thankful that I'm gonna be there celebrating Christmas with you. We love you and we want to honor you as our mother by doing this video. Talk to you soon.
Merry Christmas, Mom. Thank you for being so awesome and wonderful and delivering my beautiful wife.
Merry Christmas. So, after looking over 18 Christmases in photo albums and pictures on Facebook and pictures on my phone, I cannot find the best Christmas or my favorite present. From giving us toys as we were little and the best clothes and the best technology and the best gift cards that I still use today. Thank you for those. I think they all add up, and picking a favorite is just too hard. You have put so much effort into giving us the best gifts and giving us the best Christmases, and I really appreciate that. And I'm glad we're taking the time to give you these videos to show you that Christmas is not about the gift giving, but about family and spending time with each other and eating the great ham and mac and cheese and collard greens that you make. They are amazing, and I'm looking forward to that. We just want to thank you. We know how much effort you put into this and how much money you spend, and it does not go unnoticed, and we greatly appreciate it. And I love you so much, and I'm so grateful that I have an amazing role model and an amazing mother that loves us and cares for us so much, to spend so much time and effort and money and sweat that you put into giving us great gifts and Christmases. I love you so much, Mom, and thank you so much for still showing the religion aspect of Christmas and still showing the family aspect of Christmas and not letting us get blindsided by the material things. You are the greatest woman I know, and I hope that you have the great Christmas that you deserve. Love you so much. Merry Christmas.
Hey Marie, hope you have a good Christmas.